Oh, look who it is. Looky see. What do we have here?
Surprise.
Fish and chips?
Always. When they're in town, why not?
You are amazing.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have an awesome day.
Back to work for me.
Hey, my lovelies. Welcome back. TomTom is here again.
This time we are going to attempt again to do the steering.
Will we get it done?
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will. We have the right stuff in for a 2024 JL. So if you are planning on doing something like this, just know 2024 is different to 2023. So make sure that you get the right parts.
Electric steering pump.
What we're gonna do is, since I've been working on the axle underneath, we're gonna shenoogle. I love the fact that you guys love that word. Shenoogle it on out of the way so that we can lower it a little more.
All right, this is my first time shenoogling.
Shenoogling, let's get shenoogling.
All right.
So many electrical wires.
Yes.
Oh, you made the room. Look at that. So that we can just up and at 'em.
Up and at 'em, okay?
Oh, you're getting the pump out there.
Yeah.
Whoa. You just moved an axle. Where did the muscle go? I'm just joking.
This is a big piece. It's a
Yeah.
Whopper. It's a big box.
Did you say it's a Whopper?
Yeah, a Whopper.
A Whopper.
Like a big one?
Listen, talking about Whoppers, are you a Whopper fan? I know everything always comes back to food with me. Are you a Whopper fan?
Oh yeah.
Have you ever tried a Malteser?
Maltese?
Malteser.
No. Better than a Whopper?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to order some Maltesers.
Yeah,
it
let's get
looks
'em
like.
coming.
Yep. And then I'm just gonna come randomly to your garage and make you try the Maltesers compared to Whoppers.
All right, I'm in. If you say they're better.
If you choose a Whopper over a Malteser, I don't know if we can continue being friends.
I'm super not picky. Like,
Are you
I'll eat
not?
anything.
Whoppers are just like a stale version of the Malteser.
All right. Can't wait.
It's true. Okay, let's stop talking about food. So we're gonna pop the electrical pump in first. If I can get a socket on. Hi there.
Hi.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
It's like a little Chinese puzzle.
Might have to go in from the top.
From the top,
Yeah, I have a feeling.
Okay.
Remember, you have a chance to win this Jeep. Head on over to treadlightly.org where there are 3 ways where you can enter to win this Jeep that we are building right here in the Mischief Maker TV garage. We'll lift that up a little. Oh. Okay. Guess it's just maybe holds.
Is that stand?
Yeah, there's not a hole there.
Oh, that was just a knot.
So I think it just holds it in place, maybe, if it's tightened.
There we go.
Look at that. Do we go through here? This? Do they all go through that way and then poke down? If I poke all of them through?
No, I don't think the giant one's right, but we can still bring it in here.
This double one, maybe? I think.
There we go.
Just here,
That one's on.
down here. And we're done.
We did it.
We did it.
It's installed.
Incredible. Okay, good job.
Well, thanks for lunch.
You're welcome. Okay, before we do anything else, we're going to take the grill off, which you can't see because it's on face tracking. So unless I do this, there we go, get the grill off right there. So it shouldn't take too long. What did you call these again?
Salad tongs. We
Salad
need 2
tongs.
salad tongs.
Yeah, to get the little clips out. So
You're gonna like those.
You think? Wow, who knew I had the right tool? I mean, not really, but.
There's one more over here.
Oh, please.
And I think these must be.
Okay, so the reason why I'm putting the PSC hydro assist system in here is because I'm building an off-road vehicle. And it doesn't matter what size tires you have. The bigger size tires you have, the more you're gonna want this system. But when you're off-road, you're maybe on an incline, and you're trying to turn the wheel and people are like, passenger, more passenger, and you can't turn the wheel.
That's bad.
It's bad, and also it gets very frustrating on your side. So to make things way easier, we put in the PSC hydro assist system, and you can turn any way you want, whenever you want. And I don't know what this accent is. Sorry, don't.
New York. I think that's New York.
That was not a New York accent. Turn any way you want.
Italian?
I mean, could be.
Could be.
It's also from the movie My Big Fat Greek Wedding.
Oh, gotcha. Greek.
When she go, have you seen it?
Yeah, the first one, not like the other five. that came
No,
out
just the
since.
first one when
The
she's
first
like,
one, yes.
the man is the head, but the woman is the
the
neck,
neck.
and she can turn the head any way she
Yes.
wants. It's one of my favorite movies.
We often say at home that, like for dinner, she talked about being a vegetarian. She's like, that's okay, we make lamb.
Yeah,
So Angela says that, we make lamb.
we make lamb.
Back to the Jeeps.
Yes.
The Grand Cherokee 37s. I could not turn it if I wasn't moving. Like
Yeah.
just on the street. Like
Oh,
I couldn't
really?
turn the steering wheel. We put on the PSC system, cranked it back and forth. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
So huge difference.
it is. It's a pretty penny, but it certainly is
So
worth
worth
it.
it.
Oh, just
If you like steering.
The reason why we took the grill off was to get the cooler on. Now the cooler comes with a bracket that it attaches to, but you have to take the grill off because this is exactly where it is located, right on the front of the Jeep.
Pattern on the back side
Yeah,
of the nut
yeah,
is there 6 of those little stripes.
yeah.
So you add 2 to that number, and that means it's a grade 8 bolt. That's the US system.
Wow, you learn something new every day.
So because it has stripes, that means it's not metric, it's US.
So I have a question though. If
Yeah.
it has 6, why not just put 8?
Well, because the ones that have 3, you add 2, and that means it's a grade 5.
Okay, but why are we adding 2 when we could just put 2 more stripes
I
on?
don't know that part.
Okay, alright.
Or, no, yeah, a kilogram per meter squared. No, a Newton per meter squared. And it's a megapascal, so it's a million of those.
That's so cool.
I don't
I wish my brain would work like
I don't think
that.
it's even right. I'm messing up the units, but it's a unit of tensile strength.
Did you happen to bring any of my
I didn't find them. They're all missing.
hardware? Good. Crack it on.
Look at that beefy arm.
Did you just say beefy arm?
Beefy, yeah.
Wow.
Well, compared to the other arm down here.
Oh yeah, that's a baby.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, good lord. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Beefy arm.
Beefy arm. A little update. So the beefy arm that we literally just talked about, we're not going to use because that is actually for the PSC system that came in that was wrong for this vehicle. So we have to get the stock arm off, the baby one that we were talking about.
You didn't have to call it the baby arm. Now it sounds weak. It's just a stock arm. It's fine.
The baby arm off, off the stock steering box. So we do not have a 38 millimeter socket. We do have a 36. TomTom was very impressed.
Yes.
That's
but
right.
that doesn't fit. So Holly's got another idea. The big wrench.
This is really like 24 inch. Yes.
She's got this.
It's hurting my arm. Let's get this off.
Oh, it's gurgling. That's a good noise.
How much do you weigh?
Not enough.
Okay, let's switch. I bet I weigh more than you.
No.
Yeah, 100%.
No, you don't.
100%.
No way.
I know some people feel uncomfortable with talking about weight. I don't really care. I am who I am. TomTom, how much do you weigh?
Oh, you're turning the tables on me.
I'm turning the tables.
You're gonna
Yeah.
ask me.
Yeah.
I'm one of those people that's uncomfortable with this. No, I'm just kidding. I weigh 185.
Oh, no, man, I got you. I got you for I've got like a 2 in front of mine.
All right.
Yeah. So I will stand on the baby arm. See what happens when you have a 2 in front of your weight?
All right.
Yay, it's come in handy. I'm proud of it for the first time. All my weight.
It's just spinning you around in a circle.
Should we pop it up in
the vise?
There we go. Nice. Nice. Oh, there we go.
It's so warm. Feel that. It's hot.
So I don't have a Pitman arm puller, but apparently there's a trick. Also, using my phone as a camera because I had the camera overheated for the first time. And it was hot.
It was really hot.
It was spicy. So we're gonna let that cool down for a second.
All right. There's a thing that attaches here and you screw in here and it pries this off, but we don't have that thing. So if you just smack these on the side, sometimes they'll just pop off.
Okay. Whoa. There we go.
Okay, that's the piece we got to put on the new box.
It is. You're making it look like such a job right now.
Like too hard?
Yeah, look at you go.
Oh no, these are super light. Look at that.
Wow. You mad strong.
I almost dropped it.
Okay, we're in there. Looks really good. Now it's just time to attach hoses, get all of that good stuff on the go. I think we got this though. Not as crazy as I thought it was going to be, which is nice.
We got it.
We got. TomTom thinks that he's talking like me.
We got it.
We got it.
We got it.
Would you like? Are you thirsty?
Can I have a bottle of water?
I do not obviously sound like that, but in TomTom's mind, that's what it translates as.
This beauty right here is the pressure hose.
Yeah.
So it has to run from the pump to the steering gear.
Yeah.
So
All
let's
the way
try to-
across the vehicle.
Let's try to figure that out. There's a couple of brackets.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a thing to finagle out of there.
Was that?
Yeah.
Can I?
That's all right though. We got
We'll
it.
shenoogle it.
We'll shenoogle it. We will shenoogle it. putting these hoses in is a job.
We've been wrestling for a while.
My poor little fingers. How are your fingers feeling?
They're feeling like they got worked out pretty hard.
Look at that. Would you look at that?
It's coming together.
It is coming together.
They kind of look right, but not exactly right.
Nice.
Does that seem like it'll go? Like that could go there, that could go there, and then these other two hook to each other.
Okay.
Is that on? That can't.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Get up.
All right, well, we managed to get a lot done in the couple of hours here, which is awesome sauces.
We did. We got everything installed on the Jeep side. We just got to work on the axle next.
Yep, but we have to wait for some brackets coming from RPM. They should be here tomorrow, fingers crossed. And we should have this thing up and running fairly soon.
I want to go for a drive in this thing when it's running. I want to get out in it.
Deal, because you don't have an off-road vehicle right now.
I have the extra, but it's like 31s. Nothing like this. Nothing this cool. So I'm going to be looking for a ride.
Oh, heck yeah. I didn't even think of that. I could take Mischief Maker. You can ride this.
Okay.
Heck yeah, it's a deal.
All right.
Trail time. Which trail should we do though? I'm gonna leave 3 options right here. Boop, boop, boop. Let us know what you think the first trail should be with this giveaway Jeep. I'm really excited about it.
I know. You got to put at least one scratch in it.
No, why does everyone keep talking about
Just
scratches?
one scratch.
No scratches. Yet. And if we do get a scratch, we may know someone close by who could probably help us with that.
Oh, just keep it. It'll be fine.
Anyway, guys, I can't thank TomTom enough for coming again. We have to see him one more time.
Happy to help.
All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching.